I'm Robert Drake, and I'm signing on. And today we are looking at the United States of America Army, United States Army F Unit, DOD. I suppose that stands for dog. I don't know. Maybe it's dog tag. I don't know. The trains you had them. You have a white star, United States Army on the side. Model power you have at door, but it does look like it opens, but it doesn't. You have a nice applied horn. One, two, three, four fans. One, two Katy couplers. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight wheels, and tonight we are going to run it. So I'm going to put it on the track and let's watch it go down the track. From there to there. I gotta plug in my controller now, so let's get that done. Okay, so let's move it. Okay, so that's pretty much well it. So I guess I'm Robert Drake and I'm signing out.